Hey everyone! In this video, we will learn how to deploy a Node.js project on Cpanel. First, log into your Cpanel and open the Setup Node.js app feature under Software. Next, click Create Application. Choose your Node.js version and set the app root folder. Now upload your Node.js project files to the app root via File Manager or FTP. Ensure your package.json includes all dependencies and a valid start script. Then click Run npm install in the app setup page to install project dependencies. Set the startup file, like server.js or app.js, in the application startup file field. Now add environment variables if needed under the environment variables section. Click Restart to launch your Node.js app using the selected port or subdomain. Next, test your live app using the provided app URL or configure a custom domain. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more content like this.